Welcome. Good evening. I'm already done by dinner. This is the question: how to collaborate the other blogger. Just make sure in tune. The present, the same of the guitar I use. The string, complete string, is completely tuning at exactly standard tuning. And then, what is the content? The content is what? Content for what? So many content. Example about the family member. Oh, I clear uh, mark at my body. This is the punishment, the past of my childhood. It because I always going out from my from the our home, and I did not going home, and I did not eating whole day. My mother is always finding me where I going. I always going to the river. I swimming, take a bathing with my friends and relatives. That's the reason. Me is always punishing because I always going out. I always playing at the street while the sun is a very high level. And I did not studying. I always play until now. Because my childhood always happy playing. And we are is always going to the mountain at the pass of my neck. That is the our discipline to the family member. That is not the child abuse punishment. Because the our family member is a faith healer. Must discipline, must good about speaking, the interpretation, because of the family member is a faith healer. The side at the left, the side at the right, and the mass from me. Pure discipline. I did not want the people no discipline. If I swear bullshit, I use the poly clips, get into my body, and I punishing myself. You are dying in the spirit. You did not knowing what happened. The same I doing at the home punishment. Judging home, judging utatay home, judging street. That is the poly clips. Just use the who is the people. I catching in the ceiling at the Sator Coronados. Punishment broken. The word of the Lux Bell. The people I reading all the time is thinking, oh, have a medal. You did not knowing what happened, why I used the medal. Your medal is no exist. Old boy, old man, old woman. Just test. Get the wire of the rice cooker. You are crying one hit, suffer in your life. Not like me. No achieving the sicknesses. And no ration using. If your medal have a life. Because you have in your family member is a faith healer. My family member is a faith healer. Left and right. Family. You use the tricks about the nonsense. Your family is nonsense. Because I have so many connection. That's the reason I use the word of the clock, the timeline, where I going and I back. In my speak, my word is so very not so very so long. Only the important word. Only the normal people. What's happening? Because the family member must full punishment. That is the cure. The word the 10 months process, achieving the full punishment. Much good is dying. It compared to still alive. If you are still alive, your life is a mistaken. Much good is dying. But if you are dying, your life is good. Much good, you are still alive. But if your life is mistaken, much good, you're dying. That is the word of the virus in the family member. The good future of the people is broken. It because of the worship unto the nonsense people. While you speak in English, you are a paranoid people. Because you did that studying in the school. Do you know what is the meaning of the connection of the stomach at the land? All the studying of the people is in the thinking. The thinking is in the land. When you are achieving the connection of the stomach at the land, you can adapt any languages and you can speak the same mass good, the pronunciation from the original, from the far country, not from the book. Only the connection of the stomach is based all the people have a genius thinking. But so many people no surviving. I see the people so very laughing because the people at the street, he and she see the word that they paranoid. But I see, oh, that is not the paranoid. I can read the thinking. He joking to the people. Because the connection is in my thinking. Stop back. Listen to. The people encounter the original people. The thinking is in tune in the eye. But the fake people, you are falling down. Because nonsense thinking. Ah, let's go. Every time.